Look at this structural shift happening in the electric coupe segment right now. For the past year, the Xiaomi SU7 has comfortably held the crown as the ultimate benchmark for modern, low-slung, sports car-inspired automotive design. It was a massive wake-up call to the industry. But today, that design hegemony faces an absolute existential crisis. Say hello to the stunning Formula SL. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and in this tactical breakdown, we are ignoring the marketing buzzwords to execute a cold, clinical analysis of pure automotive aesthetics. The Formula SL isn't just trying to be another sleek electric vehicle. It is engineered to completely overthrow the SU7's visual throne. Is it a true aesthetic revolution, or just a passing trend? Let's break down the metrics. Let's talk pure proportional physics, because a truly legendary coupe isn't defined by flashy accents. It is defined by the absolute golden ratio of its sheet metal. Look closely at the Formula SL's structural silhouette. The designers didn't just lower the roofline. They radically optimized the front-to-rear axle weight distribution and cabin placement metrics to achieve the pinnacle of classic coupe proportions. Notice the hyper-aggressive dash-to-axle ratio, a feature usually reserved for exotic, million-dollar grand tourers. The hood drops aggressively low toward the tarmac, creating a deeply menacing, wind-slicing stance that completely redefines how an electric sports sedan should address the road. When you contrast this against the Xiaomi SU7, you immediately see a distinct shift in philosophy. While the SU7 leans heavily on continuous, smooth, teardrop curvature, the Formula SL infuses sharp, geometric, blocky muscularity into its fenders. It's an incredibly sophisticated masterclass in low-mass visual balance, making the vehicle look like it's traveling at 200 miles per hour, even when it's completely static on the showroom floor. Step past the silhouette, and let's dissect the real engineering marvel here, the Aero architecture. In the modern EV landscape, drag coefficients dictate both efficiency and performance, but the Formula SL treats air management as high art. Look at the front fascia. It ditches the traditional closed-off EV look for an active, variable geometry cooling matrix, perfectly flanked by microprojector LED headlight signatures that give it an intensely focused, cybernetic gaze. As the air flows over the hood, it is precisely funneled through dual-stage wake reduction vents, completely neutralizing high-speed front-end lift. Look at the side profile, the completely seamless, flush electronic door handles and ultra-sharp active side skirts work in perfect harmony to guide air cleanly away from the rear wheels. And the rear matrix? It is an absolute masterpiece. A massive, fully functional racing diffuser houses an active, speed-activated rear wing that deploys dynamically to maximize downforce in sharp corners. This isn't just cosmetic styling to trick your eyes. It is highly disciplined, track-tested aerodynamic armor designed to weaponize airflow. So, let's run the direct tactical comparison. Can the Formula SL truly dismantle the massive style equity of the Xiaomi SU7? The SU7 won the global spotlight because it felt familiar, borrowing highly successful, flowing supercar curves to establish an instant, high-status road presence. But the Formula SL brings a completely different weapon to the battlefield: raw, unfiltered originality. By combining extreme, low-drag engineering with sharp, high-character geometric design lines, it creates a hyper-distinct visual identity that makes the SU7 look almost conservative by comparison. It challenges the established design metrics on every single front. Here is my definitive tactical verdict. The Xiaomi SU7 will always be remembered as the vehicle that shook up the electric car establishment. But the Formula SL represents the next stage of automotive evolution. By perfectly fusing aggressive supercar aerodynamics with the timeless proportions of a premium coupe, it has officially set a brand new benchmark for visual dominance. The style throne has a new contender. If you want to stay ahead of the global automotive curve and never miss a deep dive analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Join our community. Drop your comments below. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.